Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was just playing around today and I found a new way to do something like this. Start with a six-sided polygon and hold down the control button and hit P. I prefer to rotate it 30 degrees because then when you use your shape tool, you can hold down your control button and it's going to be more perfect. As you can see, I'm moving my mouse left to right and I can't get off track. Then I'm going to take it and go to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to take all the nodes and I'm going to go to Windows Docker, and there's other ways to do this, but I find this is the best for me anyway. And I'm going to go to corners and I'm going to round it. Well, it's not rounding all the corners. I want it to round all the corners. That's probably pretty good. Now, Control D and rotate it a negative 15 degrees. In this space right here, and because we're working in the center of the page, and every time you do this, they'll look different. This one's going to look pretty close to mine. Take the Smart Fill tool, set on really any color, and fill that in. Now, let's move. I'm nudging these out of the way. I don't need them anymore because I'm working in the center of the page. I'm going to go and use the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and put black. I had white on the other one in the center, and it looks pretty good, but I want a little darkness in that. Let's see what it's going to look like. Now, Control D, Alternate C, but only rotate it the 15 degrees. And then Control D again. Now, I could go all the way around with that, but I could also change the colors, and I don't have to work too hard because I just have to change the two. And then I'm going to pick the blue, and I guess I'm going to use green again. Now, group this together, Control G, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. And in that quick a time, you made that. I actually think that looks better than the candy stripe ones I made before. But I've never done where I rotate just 15 degrees and make three things out of the same object. I would have normally rotated this again and try to make another object. And you could literally change it completely up and make it your own, just by changing these curves. You know what? Let's just play with that. Let's, well, there's not much we can do there. Well, that's going to be pretty ugly. But see, you could just take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. It's the same degree. So let's just left click, right click, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it to 15 degrees and see how they match up. And if you would fill those in, and also, well, let's just do that. Let's do this, and let's go ahead and, let's just use the interactive fill tool. You know what? Let's try like red, kind of a purple. Then you could take your attribute eyedropper and make them all the same. And that wouldn't look too bad. Control G, Control D, Alternate C, 45 degrees. And look what you did. Just by changing that little edge. And it's really kind of pretty. And you could do that, as long as you stay in the confines. Anyway, hope that it gave you an idea or helped some way, and thank you for watching.